You guys cheat during the relationship?
I'm crying. Nobody cares.
Where the fuck? Getting so personal.
Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. In this video, I somehow convinced my very first boyfriend from 7 years ago to do the handcuff challenge with me. So we were handcuffed all day together. Let me tell you something about our relationship. We did not end on good terms, which is why I have trust issues with men now. He blocked me on social media when we broke up. I hated his guts. We did not talk at all for the whole 7 years. Of all my boyfriends, I probably hated him the most. A lot of shady shit was done and it's revealed in this video. There's another, but we got pretty deep in conversation and a lot of tea was spilled in this video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video.
So it's 10:37. I'm gonna stay true to 12 hours. I just realized after this is gonna be only one way. I'm gonna do her makeup. She's gonna please. And I'm gonna do my hair.
Okay, let's go.
Actually painful. Oh, I gotta wet my hair. Oh, I should have done my contacts first. First things first, what you want to do when putting on contacts is wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Is this a contact commercial?
Yeah. She's doing it for the camera.
Actually, you're the one who always lies.
That's true.
That's why we broke up.
I have an astigmatism, so usually with
Nobody
astigmatism...
cares.
I know what you're trying to do, it's not working. How old are you now?
I had no idea. I'm your age.
That's right. Are we good?
Can you see how ugly you are now? Just telling the truth?
What?
Unlike you did?
So this isn't actually like a handcuffing challenge.
It's just being, yeah, it's just being me, like, what I wanted to say for the whole 7 years. I waited for this day.
Yeah.
So you can't leave.
Thanks, but we didn't ask.
Yeah, I'm just gonna edit them out.
Oh, 10:55. That's right. So this is JD.
Okay.
I think that would have been funnier though if you had to do that.
Whoa, watch the e-brake there. You don't watch.
Just don't slip. Alright.
Alright, so you're gonna do
That was pretty successful.
That's why I couldn't come out. Thank you. Enjoy.
What does he want?
I didn't answer you. I saw you the whole way through. Hello, friends.
Just arrived at Tacofino.
Jamie. Ready, Freddy? Crazy little thing called love. No.
What are you singing? Pretty solid. Good job, guys. Just the easiest things are so hard. We got food in front of us.
Alright, so
Just finished eating.
Tacofino.
This is what you get when you go to the dollar store and to buy handcuffs. It just broke. Wait, your piece fell.
Where the fuck? Oh.
We can go to some shops.
Daddy.
Pretty solid kit. Minor hiccup, but we're back. All right, switching it up this time. Whoa, let's do this. Oh my god.
That's a workout.
Current time.
12:38.
So we missed the starting point of the parade.
All right, we're back.
We're on Georgia Street Bridge right now. We're crossing the viaduct, but we're going to a Evo. Gonna get a car, leave my car here.
Just gonna ask some general questions. First question though, it's about the breakup. Obviously, you guys are exes. Do you guys consider your breakup messy?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah? Details.
Oh,
Shit.
by the way, that's Pat over
Yeah,
there.
we have a new member.
New player. So yeah, ugly breakup.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. Lots of lies.
Lots of lies.
Can I?
Go ahead, do your thing. All right, next question.
Hakel said his side, lots of lies.
Next question.
No.
So
We
he
need
lied
Nicole's
to me.
side.
He lied to me.
About what? A lot of
A
things?
lot of things. A lot of things.
What was it
And
like?
which is why I have trust issues with men now because of you. And a month after we broke up and like stopped talking, he then confessed all his lies.
Ooh, I see.
Was it a month after or was
He
it
went to the
during?
Philippines. Wait, do you want to say your side of the story?
No, I'm okay.
You're content?
I
Alright.
was a good person, that's why.
Did you guys cheat? Did you guys cheat during the relationship?
I didn't.
Technically, no.
Technically, no.
Technically. Was it the soccer girl?
No, it wasn't a soccer girl.
There
That
was
never
another.
What do you miss about your relationship?
Nothing.
Harsh.
No, I don't know. I have to think about that. I really don't know. That's how much of an impact it made on my life. Oh, I missed your friends, actually. And I'm still friends with his friends. Yeah, I actually missed Sean and Damien the most about our relationship.
Fair enough. What were you guys' first impressions of each other? Could also be
her cheeks. Her cheeks. They were like, back in the day, they're not as chubby now, but like, they used to be like cute, chubby cheeks that I would always like, oh, those are his cheeks. But also it was between you and
What did I just hear? It was between me and Annie? You're lucky I didn't hear that in person.
Ah,
Annie.
getting so personal. This is like... Yes.
You guys didn't talk for 7 years, obviously. Did you guys ever think about each other during those 7 years at all?
Yeah.
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 I don't know if it's in a good way.
If you guys could have gone back, what would you have done differently? Your relationship.
I would not lie. But I think that was inevitable.
I think it's like, in him to just lie. Like inherently.
So you think it could have been saved at any point?
Oh, our relationship?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
What were your guys' favorite quality with each other?
Six and a half hours later. A few inches later.
You really have to think that long. Like
Pet peeves. What were your pet peeves about each other?
I hated the fact that you play video games a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like you would stay up all night playing.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Hey, but you also fed into it because you bought him a video game.
I know. I was like deciding, but I knew it made him happy, so.
Oh yeah, and I remember you put it in a shoebox with a lock in it. And
So you thought it was shoes?
Yeah.
Damn.
No, and it was labeled. White slippers. And you're like, what am I gonna do with white slippers in the winter?
And then I open it and it's like Assassin's Creed 3. Like, that was a good gift, thank you.
Okay, so now we're at Kids Beach and we're gonna play some spike ball.
So they're also handcuffed as well.
Chained at the hip for life.
I know where the ball goes. I have to go see. You have to come with me.
So we just finished our meals. Now we actually ordered 3 bobby wings. So Pat, Paul, and I are going to be doing the challenge on this.
Yeah, so our challenge is that the first person who drinks water loses. I can tell.
Yeah, I'm not against.
How are you feeling right now?
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Please God.
3, 2, 1, go. Starting to hurt. Hiccuping. Getting the spicy hiccups. Guy's not wincing. He hasn't budged. Get some tears going? A little bit? You sweating? I don't think Pat's broken a sweat yet. Yeah, you don't want to lose. 10 out of 10?
I'm crying.
So they're shaking. They've all agreed to mutually drink water at the same time. They all... That's right, my lord. You're such a liar.
It's a pride thing now. It's a pride thing.
Alright, well...
Oh, I want to see that scene.
Just like old times, watching him play video games.
Alright.
Alright guys, so it's 11:26. We kind of went a little bit past because we got occupied by playing FIFA. We come back.
Get me
I
out
know.
of this.
Oh god.
Alright.
I need to like
Here.
sleep too.
Here you go.
It doesn't even fit. We're trapped.
It's called a key. Yeah.
Where'd it go?
It's gone now. Alright, cuffs are officially off. So, being together for 12 hours, you guys haven't hung out in 7 years. You guys learned anything new? Definitely, you guys learned some new shit. Come on.
I definitely
come on, there's some questions that we asked earlier, some exposures that happened.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This channel is going to be more about entertaining videos and challenge videos like this. So if you liked it, let me know and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.